Hello, everyone. Hi, my name is Weltha. Okay, you guys, so today we're going to make a pineapple cocktail drink. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to use today. Okay? All right, so we're going to use some tropical pineapple vodka, and I have some pineapple juice. And you're going to need some ice, going to need some limes, some lemon, some fresh mint, and some oranges. Okay? It's going to be a nice tropical pineapple cocktail. Okay, this is all the ingredients that I'm gonna use today. Okay, so let's get started. Come make a drink with me. Okay, so let's put everything to the side and let's get started. Okay, so I have already poured some pineapple juice in my glass right there. Okay, so now I need another glass. And first, you guys, what I want to do is I want to get some of my fresh mint that I have. Okay, fresh mint. Okay, I'm just gonna put some in the glass. I want to smash it, but I don't have one of those, um, whatever you call it, that you smash it with. So I'm just gonna use the back of my spoon, just so I can release that mint taste in the leaves. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh my God, I love the smell of mint. Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision. Smells good, you guys. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, I just want to do that so I can release the mint flavor from the leaves. Okay. Ooh, that smells so good. Okay, so I'm done with that. All right. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna blend up my ice. Okay. So just a minute, you guys. Okay, guys. So I put the ice in the NutriBullet. Okay. So I'm gonna blend the ice. Hold on. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna add the ice that I just blended. Didn't blend as good as I wanted it to. And I didn't have the patience to keep going. So, okay. All right. So next, you guys, I'm going to add the juice. Let me clean this up. Okay, so now I'm going to add, now, time for some pineapple juice. Pineapple juice. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to add my vodka. And the vodka that I'm using, you guys, just a minute. Okay? That's what I'm using. All right. So, I'm just going to pour it. I don't have to measure this. And I don't mind seeing my mint leaves like that. I like to see that. Okay. And next, you guys, I'm going to add my fruit, oranges, some lime and some lemon. Okay, hold on, you guys. I gotta drink some. Mm. Okay, I need a little more vodka. In just a minute, I need more ice. Okay, add some more fruit. I'm gonna add some more lime. And then I'm gonna add some more ice. Try to stir it a little bit. Okay, more ice. Okay, now let me give it a garnish. And she's ready. It's my little tropical drink I'm about to drink, you guys. All right. And there you have it. This is my tropical pineapple cocktail that I'm about to drink. And there you have it. A pineapple cocktail drink. There you have it. Nice and refreshing drink. Enjoy, you guys. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next one. Thank you, guys.